I don't really sit down and talk forever. I mean, the car is just upon yonder, and I think we're gonna go for a drive for a little bit, so if you guys down, stick around.
Oh, we're mobbing. Let's go. Watch out, trucker coming hard on your ass. Oh, jeez, look at this scenery. This is another reason why I like to come up here.
Oh, fuck. What's up, dudes? Looking back on 2020, it's been crazy, man. I don't know if you guys know, but at the beginning of 2020, I kind of just quit my job. And I mean, I kind of had job security because I was doing Lyft. I don't know if you guys know that. So I quit my job and I was thinking about doing full-time Lyft. You know what I mean? I was just tired of working so much, dude. Working so much and getting literally raped because I wasn't married or I didn't have any tax withheld. So at the beginning of 2020, I literally started with no job. It was scary, but it was different. And taking that route, it's like weird because you have to be disciplined. And I kind of like discipline. I'm still trying to improve on that day by day. Did Lyft for a couple months. Then COVID hit. And COVID was like, what? I mean, to be honest, I wasn't really afraid of COVID. I was just more afraid of how society's going to act. I thought I was the end of the world. I just wanted to give you guys a little recap of what I've been going through. I mean, I hope your guys' 2020 wasn't super bad. But let's talk about my cause. I mean, I have slimmed down. I used to be a hoarder of E34s. I've slimmed down, and I'm at this point in my life where I just take care of the ones that actually like are special to me, not just buy every good deal. You know what I mean? Now I'm just out here. The current lineup I got is the E30, the M5, Prius, and the 540. I know my cars are ugly, but that's just because, I don't know if you guys know, it takes bread to keep these cars running. And on the last thing of my priorities is looks. I like the car to run good before it looks good, you know what I'm saying? And when you have a couple of them that look like crap and they run like crap, it takes time. It takes time, little baby. For the 540, I want to make it look nice, man. I gotta learn that body work. Kyle, where the hell you at, man? We gotta paint this car. Increase the horsepower. For sure with my M5, man, I got a big project with that. I gotta throw some suspension on it, so for sure I need some coilovers. I need rims, man. I got like a 3-piece rim setup that I want in my head. It's gonna come to it's gonna happen, man. It's gonna happen. I just gotta give it time. I appreciate those that, like, I mean, I kind of sit back and I get bummed out and lose a little bit of motivation, but I appreciate you guys that see the vision, because my cars are genuinely shit. Like, they look like shit, but you guys actually like it. I mean, you guys see what I see, you know? It's not just like, oh, shitty BMW. You just squint your eyes a little bit and then you see what I see. I'm currently in LA. I think this is LA, I'm not sure, but look at this view that I'm looking at. The 540 is upon yonder. It's actually New Year's Eve, so it's very busy up here. I didn't think it was going to be that busy, but I guess a lot of people like to hit the canyons. Speaking about the canyons, I do want to do a drive up here with the homies or anybody wants to come. So if you be down, follow the Instagram, because that's when I'll like post stuff. I'm excited for the new year, man, because I finally, like, if you were to ask me 2 years ago or just a year ago, hey Christian, what are you going to do with your cars? You're going to sell them? Like, what's going on? And honestly, I would have told you, yeah, man, I don't know. I think I'm going to just sell it. Like, I'm just going with the flow right now. Now, if you ask me today, I ain't selling these shits. I'm literally stuck in this car game. Like, I've been too invested, man. This car life, like, I try to get away from it, but I just can't. Now, I think I'm just going to forever be in love with cars. I've met so many people. I've done so many cool things that just cars is just a part of me now. I should get it tatted right here. E34 for life. Nah. Appreciate you guys that have seen me improve with the editing. At first I didn't really like it, but after keep repetitively doing it, you see ways to improve, and that's the ultimately factor that I like. Improvement, y'all. Improvement is like the best thing. Mistakes, failure, all that. Just embrace that shit, because it goes a long way. I mean, I be fucking up on the daily, and I don't think without those fuck ups I wouldn't be who I am today. So keep fucking up, y'all, but learn from them. Don't just fuck up forever. I mean, with 2020 happening, 2021 for sure is going to be better. Conquer that shit. Stay strong, y'all. Enough rambling, yo. We're going for a drive. Look at the car's literally just waiting for me. Oh, that was sick. I should just come up here and commentate on cars flying by. fuck. Damn, bro. Backfired like a mug. Oh, I also in 2021, I want to have a turbo car. So stick around for that. All right, now that the cars cool off, I usually have the heater on when it's running. Let's go for a drive, man. We're gonna go the opposite way because there's like so much freaking traffic. Question is, are we gonna be able to go? All right, we are good to go. I love the 540 because of the sound, but also that V8 torque. Oh, look, we got homies over there. All right, but for sure, I want to get stickier tires. I mean, I experienced some pretty good tires, but I never really bought me any super sticky ickies, you know what I'm saying? Oh, hey, fellow Beamer, overheating. Oh, I actually got to pull over and take a photo right here. So sketch. Fuck. Here we go. I need to work on my YouTuber skills, man. I keep forgetting to put thumbnails and shit. So let's see how this looks so we can get an actual thumbnail this time. All right, let's go home. We got a party. It's New Year's Eve, actually. Let's get out of here. Oh my God, what the fuck? All right, that's cool. I just smacked fucking 2 rocks. Ideally, I'd like to take the E34 across, like, to go visit some people. For sure, I'm gonna drive this bitch to Arizona. But, I mean, the farther places, I think I'm just gonna fly out and actually just see the car scene there and just hang out with the bros. Because I'm not trying to make it. Unless the people over the internet's gonna come and save me, then I'm down. Oh, nice sweeper turn right here. I mean, we can't really do much because it's so packed. I've been catching myself coming up here late, but the thing is, with it being late, the darkness is like upon us, so it's really hard to see outside and everything. But geez, look at this scenery. This is another reason why I like to come up here. I don't know if I mentioned, but 540 hit 200,000. And I just recently looked at some old clips. I think I bought it at like 165 or somewhat like that, 185, around there. I just didn't think in a million years this thing was gonna hit 200K. You know what I mean? You just buy the car to enjoy it for now. Wagon. Okay, there's people here, so let's slow it down a little bit. Oh, we're mobbing. Let's go. Watch out, trucker coming hard on your ass. Oh, he's right there. I've been practicing my left foot braking and also want to go drifting some more. So those are a little bit more plans I want to do in 2021. 2021? You stupid. No, I'm not. What's 9 plus 10? 2021. I mean, I've actually thought about drifting my 540 for a little bit, just to see how that does. How that do. Oh, fuck. There's a bike coming in hot. Just let me turn the corner and I'll let you pass. But I've been thinking about drifting my 540 lately. So we'll see if I go through with that. I just don't know if I can convince myself to actually drift it because I don't want to destroy the motor. Damn, he looked good. How serious I am, I bought a spare diff for this just to weld it and throw it in.
So I might take this to a drift event or two and see how it goes like that. I mean, it's already beat up. Might as well have fun with it while I can. I had the 530. I was planning to throw that, a B40 in that. But, I mean, I just kind of got tired of having too many E34s. Usually people just buy one car and then they just fix that, and then that's how they become with a nice one car. So I get that method, but the thing is, with one car, I want to do autocross, I want to do drifting, I want to do freaking cross-country road trips. There's just so much interest that I have in cars that I really can't just have one car. I mean, I got to tell you guys a story about how I got this 540. I never even talked about it. Just one day, all of a sudden, 540 appeared on the internet, and then I bought this baby. But there's a long story behind it, how I actually acquired it. Maybe I should tell you on a canyon trip, but for right now, we're just gonna mob. The sound is amazing. I gotta do another exhaust setup, because sweeping turns. Love it on the brakes. Oh, dude, 2021. I gotta do some brakes on this car. There is upgrades for E34 chassis now, so I would like to put some pretty good BV brakes on here, you know, because everybody needs to stop with confidence. And these brakes right now, they're good. Don't get me wrong, but they're from the 90s, you know, and they could be better. Come on, dude, let me go. I want to go, please. I also thought about supercharging this baby, but to be honest, the superchargers are kind of high maintenance, and I don't want to blow my motor or rebuild the supercharger like every 1,000 miles. The kit for the supercharger right now, and it's old technology, it's like $6,000. With 6K and willpower, I can literally up this horsepower a lot. I don't really want to do engine stroker, you know. I kind of was toying around with the fact that I could throw S62 in here. But S62s are like hard to find right now. You guys see E39s, they're going up in value. Another option is the M60 B44, which, don't get me wrong, we might do that. But it's a higher compression motor, and I kind of want to do forced induction because I'm still a little stupid kid that want to go fast. So that's on the list, but we'll see if we go through with it. All right, let's slow it down a little bit, because I don't know if there's any cops. Oh my God, that was scary. Hard on the brakes. Yeah, good job, 540. You're doing great, man. I mean, what else could I say? There's a lot of freaking plans that I want to do. Just, if you guys want to see the plans implemented, just stick around. And for sure, if it's going to happen. It's just in due time. I got to score some good jobs, you know what I'm saying? Maybe flip some cars. But money is not the biggest issue for me. It's just knowledge. That's what I'm scared about. Sometimes it's hard to attain some knowledge to get you going. I mean, it's not hard. It's just scary. It's scary to stick your neck out there and actually try to do something. Should I send it again? I mean, the truck's right there, so. On a side note, rear headrest is looking bitchin'. What are we gonna do? Downshift this bitch a second, and we're going. Now you pull over the truck, okay. Okay, slow it down. We don't know what's gonna happen now. I'll come back soon. Farewell, Canyons, for now. Oh, hold it, pothole. Alright. Well, that was fun while it lasted. I'm gonna go ahead and switch angles and say farewell. That was a pretty fun canyon ride. I mean, I don't want to stay up here too long. And my car, I haven't been driving the 540. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I don't like paying tags. And that only just shoots myself in the foot. I finally paid my tags, which was damn near $400. And we're back up and running. I've just been driving the car ever since. So I kind of use it as a method of not driving your car, because chances are it might get taken away or you get a ticket. I haven't even dialed in this car. I actually want to pull the motor out and do a whole bunch of stuff to it, maintenance wise. Hi doggy. Before I start ripping on it, because I mean it still rips, which is like, this car's reliable. Fucking love this car. Thanks, Jared. We're still homies. He sold me the car. 5th gear. Yeah, on our way back. Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you again for watching. Stick around for future videos. Shit's gonna be wild. We're gonna have fun. Alrighty, folks. I am signing out. Farewell. That was fun talking to you. A little personal, but it's cool. I don't even think you guys know anything about me. Like, what's my name? Alrighty, you guys. It's hot. Is that an E39 M5? Oh, that is an M5. I wish I could follow you, bro, but I kind of have to get home. Don't really know how to either. I always struggle with, like, ending the video. I feel like I have to say a joke or something.